Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a ping pong table tennis with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 4x6 plate. On the right hand side, set down a set of 2x3 flat tiles, and right here, right in the center, 1x2 flat tile, followed by another set of 2x3 flat tiles. Then I'm going to slide in a 1x4 plate on the left hand side. Now we're going to flip this over. In this area, I'm going to take a 1x3 jumper plate, set that right here. This is going to give us a nice offset. Then a 2x3 plate and another 1x3 jumper plate right here. Then I want to stack a set of studs on top of one another, make 4 of these. Place these on both ends of our 1x3 jumper plates. These are going to be the legs for our table. Flip this back over. A set of 1x1 plates with top holder and a 4-stud long rod or light sword. Place that right there. We're going to use a stud for a small ball and some of these little signs with the stud for paddles.